Oh, hey, what are you doing here? Here, you try it.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to Bar 20 Arms.
Stop by and see how it's going.
Oh, going good. We're shooting this
Good.
slide starter.
This is a great place for an oil well.
Yeah, we were thinking about putting one in. Probably use two of them.
Hey, what you got?
I got this slide fire here. Here, you try it. It's ready to go. Just pull
the trigger?
Yeah, well, you put it up to your shoulder here, and you just pull it forward. Why don't you give it a try?
Hey, y'all gotta get you one of these.
Man.
That's a lot of fun, man.
Yeah, you want some more?
What about that TV down there?
Oh, well, I guess you shoot it.
Well, me?
Yeah. Here,
Wow.
you do the honors. It don't work none anyway. Let's put some more ammo in there. Make sure you get it.
Yeah, it'd be a good place for an oil well right over there.
You think so?
I think so, right over there, drill you an oil well.
Yeah, we might ought to. I think we might.
Hey, do you miss me yet?
well, yeah.
With that great economy and all that.
Yeah.
I figured you'd be missing me.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. A lot of people say you ruined it.
My Secret Service needs some of these.
Yeah. Well, maybe we ought to show it to them.
Oh, that ought to be enough.
All right. One more. All right. There you go. See what she'll do. Man,
that is, you got your fine weapon there.
well, thank you.
You got your fine weapon.
Thank you. You need to get you one, George.
Well, I gotta go.
All right, we'll see you next time.
All right, we'll see you.